I'm sorry to say goodbye to CapCut, but I'm happy to start using Elevate.io. When you sign up, you can use the free plan, which includes 5 seats, 5 gigabytes, free storage, 25 projects, exported in 720p PSI resolution, no advanced or AI tools, but still powerful enough. Even without the premium features, we can still do a great job, especially since there's no watermark. Here's how it works. Create a project and upload your files to the platform. It looks really cool. Drag and drop your file into the editing space. Use the pointer tool and hand tool to move your content smoothly. Use the scissor tool to cut both video and audio parts. There are 2 brilliant tools that let you select backward and forward content. This is the first time I've seen something like this. Add text with full customization, colors, fonts, size, alignment. Anything you need is there. I especially love the Fade Out tool. Once you hover over the end of your content, it appears automatically. Just drag it to create a smooth video ending. Explore effects, lots of cool ones like blur, vignette, mosaic, and many more. Try the wide range of transitions to make your video flow seamlessly. With all these features, you're good to go for a great video output. Thanks for watching.